Welcome back, everybody. Today we are working on the Miata. It has been a while since I've touched this car, but I just got tires mounted on the wheels. So we are going to finish up the wide body, install the front fenders, and throw these wheels on just to check out fitment. And I know I've been slacking on this build a little bit, but bushings for the diff just came in, so we'll be working on that this week. And getting the diff in the car, we'll be talking about all sorts of diff options, and if you're just running a stock engine, what kind of stuff you can do. So a lot of helpful tips coming up soon. Then we can get the drivetrain mocked up and start rebuilding the engine. So this is in full swing now. We are going to be working on this a lot, so watch out for future videos. And let's get to installing these fenders. First thing we're going to do is take off the stock fender on this side. I already have that side pretty much on. And we're going to slap it all in with rivets and all sorts of things. So let's get going. Looks like I already took off these 3 bolts, so that makes my life easier. I think I should get the 2 in here. We should be alright, so. One up here too, which I already got. I believe I got the ones down here. Yeah, this thing's ready to come off. So I just got the passenger side installed before I do it on camera, and I got fitment honestly pretty good. It's nice and tight all the way up to the top. This section of the kit isn't incredibly well made. Doesn't like poke all the way up here, and if you look from the back, it's kind of got a gap up here, which honestly I don't mind. It kind of looks aggressive, and down here you get a pretty decent spot, and if I open the door, nothing touches. We're all good to go. So this side is done. We're going to move to the other side, and I'm going to show you how I did it. It was definitely a bit of a pain, and you have to make your own mounts, but we're going to get into it. So first thing I'm going to do is tie this out of the way, because the last thing you want is your wheel to rub through your wiring harness, which I have seen happen multiple times. So on the other side I had to chop off this little lip right here because it kept getting in the way of the fender sitting flush against the bumper. So we're just going to chop right there. This on here and mark up where we need to cut out for these little posts. So I'm just going to set this about where I want it. other side, I was running into problems where this is interfering and it's touching right here. So I'm going to take off the fender and trim down this side a little bit just to get some extra clearance and get this bumper on straight. The fender is now fully installed, so let's go ahead and chuck the wheel on it and see how it goes. God damn.